Hi everyone, I'm Shelly from There's No Place Like Home at redheadmom8.wordpress.com. Today I just wanted to share a really quick homeschool hack with you for finding excellent literature for your children to read for your read alouds or for them to read for their independent reading. And, you know, there are so many books out there. I always say so many books, so little time. And that is the truth of it. You know, just walk through the library, even a smaller library, and you're often presented with just this huge array of selections that you can read either for yourself or for your kids. So when it comes down to choosing those books that you think will have the greatest effect on your children in their educational experience, it can be a little bit intimidating. So I have actually come up with a really, really easy way to get great books to put on those book lists for my kids. And that is through ordering catalogs from Sunlight or Bookshark. They are both literature-based curriculums. I have never actually used their curriculum at all. I'm going to point that out right away. But I have noticed that the books that they include with their curriculums are absolutely wonderful. They are living books, they are often classics, and they are really the type of literature that you want your children to be reading. They are the type of literature that your children will definitely get something out of. And I also actually want to add in Beautiful Feet books also. You could definitely order their catalog too. Now, I have used Beautiful Feet books and I love that curriculum. And that's how I know that Beautiful Feet books also includes excellent literature. And these catalogs, they're free. So all you have to do is just go on their website and you can just order the catalog, have it mailed right to your house, and you can then, at a leisurely pace, go through these books and see what books are at your child's level, what books would possibly fit in with what your kids are learning, and go from there with making your list. Now, you could also probably, I'm pretty sure that if you would go on their websites, you would also be able to see what books they have. But for me, I'm just one of those physical book type of person. I like to have something in my hands. So getting those catalogs in the mail is a bit comforting to me, and it makes me feel like I don't have to rush so much, because to be honest, I don't really like being on the computer very much. You wouldn't think so because, you know, I have a blog and this channel, but honestly, I don't really like being on the computer very much. Actually, though, speaking of the computer, you could also check out amblesideonline. Now, that is an online curriculum. It's a Charlotte Mason curriculum, and they also have excellent, excellent book suggestions for you to use with your children. So I can't think of an easier way to come up with a great list for your kids. Now, I did make a bit of a longer video and a little bit more detailed with some other tips that I have for choosing books for my exclusive patrons from Patreon. So if you would like to check out my Patreon page and see how you can get access to those exclusive videos that I've made, I will include the link down in the description box below. But for now, that's all that I have to share with you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet and would like to hear more of what I have to say, I would love if you would do that. If you have any questions, comments, or if you have any tips on making book lists, just share it down below. And I hope you have a great day.